Is Itel 2171. So you can see the LCD is not good. Here is it. The LCD of this phone is not good, which is the screen. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, but nothing is showing. Everything is bright. So easy way to access to make this work again is for you to repress the screen. Yeah, you gotta repress the screen. Let's see how the screen looks like. Yeah, this is it. Okay, what we have here is 16 legs LCD. 16 legs LCD. This is the easy way to replace it. You gotta apply your paste. First of all, you apply your paste. This is it. After applying your paste, you pull your screen. So this is easy way to pull it. Very simple. Make sure after pulling the screen, you gotta brush the legs of the motherboard. You gotta brush it for it to be very, very neat. Yeah, this is it. So after this, you bring your LCD. This is my LCD. Yeah. This is my LCD. As you can see, this is a new one. And before you put this, you got test. You got test the LCD. This is another easy way to test it to avoid factory error. You don't need to be a victim of factory error. So you gotta place your screen this way. So you press it this way for it to be sure that the screen is working before you solder it. You get? So as you can see, everything is working perfectly here. Everything is very nice. So before you solder your screen, let's solder it now. You first of all apply paste on it, just like something of this nature. After applying your paste, you make use of your liquid red. This is my liquid red. You get? It serves as soldering wire. So you apply it a little, then make use of your iron to melt it on the LCD. So after doing it this way, make sure you do it front and back. Apply it front and back so that your LCD will gum very well. It's no mistake. So after that, you apply your paste. See? After the paste, you now solder the screen. This is how we solder it. Now show it up on how the screen goes. So you make sure you set it very well. After setting it, you use your iron to solder this way. This is the easiest way to replace your 2163 Itel LCD. Yeah. So as you can see, everything is very neat. So this is the easiest way to do it. Now let's test and see what we got. Wow, this is a nice job. Have you seen it? Done and dusted. You remove your sealed radar down upright. Thank you.